So as you work with Flutter upgrade, you may need to add this thing to your Xcode. Now, there are tons of explanations, but this thing happens a lot of time when your Flutter header file is not found, which means flutter.h file is not found in your Xcode build. So in that case, you have to add these properties to your Flutter Xcode builds. Okay. Now, I have already written them also in text form over here. Now I will show you how to add them. Okay. Now say for example, you can copy any of this. So I'm going to copy this one, the second one, as the first one is very short. Anyway, and then you have to open your project, any kind of Flutter app, whatever you are using. So you have to open that in Xcode. Okay. So here is my Xcode, and then I have opened the project. And then you have to come to this runner and then build settings. And then you have to search for search paths. Okay, and within it, you have to search for header search path. Now over here, inside this build tabs, there could be tons of things. So you can just simply search for header search path. Okay, and then this is where you need to add things. Now, at first look, it's not very intuitive that how do you add this. All you need to do, double click on this and it will pop up a list of items like this. Okay. All right. And then over here, you have to add the thing that we were talking about that we have copied early. So over here, I'm going to paste this. Sorry, not this one. So it looks like I was not able to copy. So I'm going to copy it one more time. And then I'm going to come over here. And then I'm going to have this like this. Okay. Of course, you can also change the properties. So over here, I'm going to use recursive. Okay. Sorry, this one, recursive. Okay. So of course, the thing is that it'll just save it automatically. All right. Now, if you double click again, it'll be here. But the last one has been added already, so I don't need that. Okay, so I'm going to just remove that. So the idea is all of these things you need to add one by one over here, and you are good to go. And this thing actually solves why flutter.h file is not found in your Xcode build. So hopefully that makes sense.